Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your domain ownership and creating the primary admin account so you can control users and settings. Once done, set a strong password and enable two-step verification to protect the admin console. Make sure billing details are ready and estimate how many licenses you'll need. This avoids mid-setup interruptions. Now sign into the Google Workspace sign-up flow as the admin and enter the domain. Then follow the guided prompts to move directly into account provisioning and initial configuration. Next, create user accounts and logical groups so permissions and email routing are manageable. Bulk import with CSV if you have many users. Then update your domain DNS to add Gmail MX records. Lower the TTL beforehand so changes propagate quickly, and verify mail flow. Configure Drive, Calendar, and Meet settings based on your organization's sharing rules and apply mobile and endpoint management policies. While doing this, assign licenses and configure roles so each user has the correct access level for their job. To finish, verify everything by signing in as a few users and testing email delivery, calendar invites, and file sharing to catch misconfigurations. Make sure SBF, DKIM, and DMARC are set so mail is trusted, and enable audit logs and retention rules to meet compliance needs. Then train admins and end users on common workflows and document all DNS and admin changes. If something fails, revert DNS TTL changes. Use the admin console's diagnostics and restore settings from your documented rollback plan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.